Thinking about installing high-speed energy-efficient hand dryers, but worried about water ending up on the walls or floors? That's a concern I hear all the time, and there's a simple solution. I'm Michael Savitt, Director of Domestic Sales at XLERATOR. This issue comes up most often in high-traffic environments, especially large high schools, where restrooms are used non-stop throughout the day. I recently spoke with a facility manager at a large high school who shared an all-too-familiar challenge with me. Staff and students were complaining about water collecting on the wall and floor below their hand dryers. For him, this wasn't just about appearance. It was about protecting the walls and reducing the risk of slips and falls. The solution was simple. He installed our antimicrobial wall guards directly below the hand dryers. The impact was immediate. The walls were protected, the restrooms looked cleaner, and the complaints stopped. Sometimes the right accessory makes all the difference. And for facilities looking for a fully integrated approach, our sister company D13 Group offers the D13 Sink System featuring the XLERATOrsync Hand Dryer, combining touchless washing and drying at the sink to help keep water off walls and floors entirely. If water management is holding you back, we can help you find the right solution for your facility. Thank you for watching, and make sure to follow to hear more key points from our experts.